Hey, I'm Tracy, and this is Bridge Unleashed. So, I started showcasing the wonderful world of bridge. I have been a game player my whole entire life. I actually, a little known fact, I played on the longest running internet game before Telnet was around. I played on it and it's still going today. It's called Alex Mud. So I've been a gamer my whole life. I found bridge through my husband about 20 years ago, became pretty addicted. Took a couple of years before the addiction really happened. It has brought so much to my life, so many people, travel, amazing. It is one of the three Olympic mind sports. I have spent a lot of my time and my passion and my pastime playing this game and using my skills. I am a digital marketer and I use my skills to try to highlight our game. I do a lot of interviews with people. So on the channel, you're going to find all of that. And I have started doing workshops and teaching people. Whether you found us because you're interested in strategy games, this is the best. Highly recommend trying out Bridge. Takes a good year. Everyone, it takes a while to figure out this game. It's a humbling game. But that's what makes it so fascinating. It is also what I like to call a billionaire's mind sport. There are a lot of very influential people that find this game and so amazing to play and spend a lot of their pastime over their long lives playing the game. I hope you enjoy so much content in here, whether it be interviews with the top bridge players in the world, to teaching you how to play bridge or learn a new convention. And then you can go over to my website and find out about all of the workshops that I do. Give comment below. Please subscribe and tell your friends about it. Thanks.